Today I'm going to show you how to make a marble maze. For this craft, you'll need a paper plate, preferably with an edge or a rim. You'll need a pool noodle that's cut in half. You'll need scissors, some glue, a straw or straws, you'll need some tape, you'll need a marble, you might also need some stickers or sticker foam. And of course, crayons or markers. To start, cut out pieces of pool noodle and a straw to arrange as obstacles for your maze on your plate. You can also use other materials like bottle caps or toilet paper rolls. Once everything's cut out, attach your obstacles to your plate using glue and tape. Decorate your plate with stickers or by coloring your plate with markers or crayons. If you'd like, you can color your plate before attaching your obstacles. You can also make mazes using Lego. Let your glued down pieces dry. Once they're dry, it's finished. Now you can test out your marble maze.